We'll guide you through how to upload photos to Google Photos. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a good idea to go and do because you're then going to go and have them in Google Photos, meaning you can then go and access them on other devices. And also if something happens to them on your device, maybe you lose your device or something like that, they're still going to be in Google Photos. So we're going to guide you through this step by step on how it's done. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So, without any other further ado, let's go and get started. So, what you need to do is you need to go and find the Google Photos app. So you can go and swipe up and you can go and press search at the top and you can go and type in photos and Google Photos should appear. As you can see, there it is. You can always go and open up the Play Store and download it if it isn't already. Now, what you need to do is go to the top right and press your profile icon. Go down and you need to go and find photo settings. Then you can go and press backup. Then you can go and switch this on. So with the backup on, it's going to go and upload the photos. It's that simple. That's it. They'll then go and upload. Leave a like if you found this useful.